Quadratic Assignment. So this is the third part of our assignment, aka the video. So for this video, my question will be about the bridge, of course, but this is the question. After the bridge was built from Hong Kong Museum to Sam Caswain, famous stuntman Mr. Mathay, the Canadian star, was asked to do the grand opening. The famous stuntman Mr. Mathay was going to walk on the wire of the suspension bridge and then dab from the top point of the bridge. Find the maximum height of the bridge from where Mr. Mathay is going to dab. The bridge is modeled by the equation y equals negative 0.0002x squared plus 0.143x plus 0.3375. Now for all the visual learners, this is how the picture of Mr. Mathay dabbing from the top would look like. So here's Mr. Mathay, the Canadian star, dabbing from the top of the suspension bridge, aka we need to find the vertex. We already know the equation. Mr. Mathay already taught us how to find the vertex, so this should be easy. Now, this equation is in standard form. We need to convert this into the vertex form because we're finding the vertex. We're finding the height, but if we can find the vertex, the k value will be our answer. So if we do the vertex form, it's much easier to find the vertex. So first, this equation is the standard form. We need to change it into vertex form. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form, a bracket open x minus h bracket close squared plus k. So first step, we need to partially factor the equation. So when we partially factor this equation, it will look something like this. So you just add brackets. You're not gonna multiply a lot because if you multiply with a negative number and it has a lot of zeros, so it's gonna be really complicated. So this is a much easier way to do it. Now the second step is get the perfect square trinomial. So here it looks like 0.143. So now you want to eliminate the numbers in front of the x square. So you divide 0.143 by negative 0.000226x squared. After you do that, you will get negative 550. Now we need to get the perfect square trinomial. Now we need to complete it. So when you complete it, it's x. We need to complete the square and then get the zero pair. How to get the zero pair? B over 2 squared. So negative 550 over 2 squared is 75625. That will be our zero pair. So zero pair is like a sum of two numbers that equal to 0. So positive 75625 and negative 75625 equal to 0. Now this is how the equation will look like. This, and then we complete the square. So we take out x and we take out negative 275. So we do the square root of x and the square root of 550. Like we divide it by 2, as you call it. And then this is how it should look like. And then we put brackets in, and then yeah. Now multiply negative 75625 by the a value and then simplify the like terms. So you multiply negative 7 by this value, and then this is how it should look like. And then you just simplify the like terms, so negative 19.6625 plus 0.3375. Remember, this is negative, so it's going to be positive. And then you can, so before you already had this equation, so you already had the x minus h squared value, you already had the a value. All you were supposed to do was get the k value, and when you just simplify the like terms, you also get the k value. So now you have your vertex form. So this will be the vertex form, and this will be the graph. As you can see from the graph form, negative 275. So when you put it in vertex, it will be positive 275 and 20. You can see in the graph it's 275 and 20, which means we have got our correct answer. Now this is the graphic calculator I just put in there. So now this will be the solution of the question. Therefore, the height according to the equation will be 20, which tells us Mr. Mathay, our amazing math teacher, will tap from 20 meters above ground on the bridge. Again, this is how it would look like. So this will be 20 meters. And Mr. Matei looks very happy dabbing. Thank you for watching.